Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I will guide you for basic knowledge, especially for civil engineering students. If you are working on construction site, if you are studying, so watch this video till the end to know about new information, especially for civil engineering students. If you are new on this channel, so you may like the video and subscribe the channel for more civil engineering updates. Guys, you can see the first one for in basic knowledge, we have dead load means self weight of the structure. What does it mean? Suppose we have a footing. On the top of this, these are the columns, and this is other footing, and these two are columns. On the top of this, this is a top beam, and this is RCC slab. Okay, so it means the weight of footing, weight of column, weight of beam, weight of slab. It is called self weight of the structure. So dead load means self weight of structure in RCC construction, or you can say in the construction, any one construction, self weight is called structure load. Next, guys, DPC. What is DPC? Guys, you can see on the top of the foundation, suppose this is the depth of the foundation, for example 1 meter. On the top of this, we are providing DPC. Guys, you can see this is DPC, means dam proof course, and the thickness of the DPC should not be less than 2.5 centimeter. So the DPC is very important to protect the from the foundation, or so the foundation is a lot of water, because we have a lot of water in foundation. So it protect the brick masonry, or you can say from the plinth level it protect. Okay, so therefore DPC is very important to protect the building from the seepage. Okay, so therefore DPC is a very important part of the building construction layer, which thickness should not be less than 1 inch, or you can say 2.5 centimeter. It should not be less than this, right? This is DPC. Next, guys, if there is more than 5% moisture content in the sand, moisture content means if there is moisture in the sand, so don't use it for the concrete mix. Okay, don't use for the concrete if that is anyone, if that is M5, M7.5, M10, M15, M20. But if we have more than 5% moisture content in sand, so don't use. Next, the curing period of the RCC is 28 days. Why? Because weight of the steel, suppose I have M20 grade concrete, M20 grade, it means this at characteristic strength is 20 Newton per mm square after 28 days. So therefore the concrete curing is very important to get the full strength in 28 days. So therefore the curing period of RCC is 28 days. Next, guys, the transverse reinforcement provided in column is called beam ties. Suppose in column, this is column, and transverse reinforcement we are placing like this rings. So rings is called ties. So ties in column, and the transfer reinforcement is provided in beam is called stirrups. In beam, when we are providing the rings, that's called, so these are stirrups in beam, because this is beam, so it's called stirrups. Okay, in column we have ties, right? Next, guys, here you can see we use the ties as we discussed before. We use ties in column and stirrups in beam to handle the shear force and keep the longitudinal bars in position. Guys, you can see these are longitudinal bars. To keep it in position, so we are connecting all these longitudinal bars with the help of the stirrups. Okay, and also longitudinal bars and ties are, you can say, in beam. Okay, in beam and also in columns, so especially for shear force and also to keep the bars in position. Next, guys, you can see M20 grade concrete, which is very important, where the ratio is 1:1.5:3. So M20 grade concrete should be used for foundation, beam, column, and also slab. Let me write here slab also for slab construction. Don't use less than this. Hook's length should not be less than 9D, where D is diameter of steel. What is hook? So let me guide you first of all for this. So guys, you can see this is ring or stirrup, you can say, and these are hooks. So this length, guys, you can see this length should not be less than 9D, where D is this die of steel bar. Normally we are using 8 millimeter, right? The next one is, guys, also very important, and keep in your mind the height of the riser Stair should be between 150 to 200 millimeter. Guys, you can see here, this is a stair. So this is suppose height is 9 feet, and you can see the stair like this. So this is called riser. This riser should be 150 to 200 millimeter. And this is straight, this one, and this is riser, this is straight, this is riser, this is straight, and this straight should be 250 mm to 300 millimeter, right? You can keep like this. Next, guys, you can see the slope of the pitch should be between 25 to 40 degree. What is pitch? Guys, you can see this is ground level, and you can see the pitch is here. So this angle should be 25 to 40 degree, right? The next one is, guys, cement more than 3 months old should not be used in construction because it expired after 3 months. So therefore, when you are checking it before manufacture date, so when it's more than 3 months or about 3 months, so don't use for the construction. Guys, this is a short video but very important for you people to know about the basic knowledge for civil engineering students. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.